Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Holden Barina, stock number 6218. This ran from 11th 2012 to the 6th 2015. It has a B12 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the B12 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 14-inch factory alloy mag tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 14-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear 14-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 14-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,